Experiencing a frozen screen or no audio in your Honda Accord's infotainment system. You're not alone. These issues often stem from software glitches, hardware problems, or power supply interruptions. The first step is diagnosis. Is the screen completely frozen, or is the audio cutting out intermittently? For a frozen screen, a simple soft reset, holding the power button for 10 to 15 seconds, often works. If that fails, try a hard reset by disconnecting the car battery for 5 to 10 minutes. For audio issues, check Bluetooth connectivity and try restarting your phone. Remember to avoid extreme temperatures, as they can exacerbate hardware issues. If basic resets don't solve the problem, further troubleshooting might be needed. Check for available software updates via Honda Link or your dealership. Outdated firmware is a common cause of infotainment problems. If problems persist, hardware failure might be the culprit. Issues like faulty wiring or a failing head unit often require professional intervention. While user-guided fixes can be effective, improper handling can void warranties or cause safety risks. Consult a certified Honda technician for hardware-related problems. Neglecting early signs like flickering screens can lead to costly repairs, so annual diagnostics are recommended.